Want to launch your own Solana token in just a few minutes? Here's how you can do it quickly using SolMaker Online. First, open your browser and go to SolMaker Online. On the home page, you'll spot the Create Token Now button. Click it to get started. You'll be taken to the token creation page, where you can save time by choosing the Generate with AI option. This feature helps you set things up even faster. After that, you'll see some basic settings. Just hit Next to move forward. Now it's time to define your token's identity. Enter your token's name, choose a symbol, and decide on the total supply. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. When you're ready, hit Create Token and your Solana token will be created. To make it tradable, click Add Fund Liquidity and follow the steps to fund your token. Complete the payment and your token is live.